All right, this is how you install a tracking code in a website that's running the 7 theme. First, we need to get the tracking code, which I have copied and pasted on my other screen here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate in the WordPress backend up to theme options and then over to advanced. In this advanced section, I have an option to paste in custom JavaScript, which is where we're going to be putting tracking codes. You can see we already have some tracking codes installed, but we're going to add this new one from LinkedIn. So we're simply going to go to the bottom, give us 2 line breaks. Blank space never hurts in any of these code fields. You can just skip as many lines as you want. It's perfectly fine for management. And then I'm just going to paste in the code. You can see here's that LinkedIn code. You can see here's the LinkedIn partner ID, which is the most important part. This is going to put this code on every single page in what's called the before close head tag. All right. I'm going to hit save options. All right. And the code is installed. Now, one other thing that we want to look at is to make sure that the code is active. We may want to clear the cache. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and the cache clearing tool that's currently on this site is called WP Rocket. I'm going to hover over it at the top and click clear cache. This option is going to basically say any saved versions of the website that anybody has, don't use them. Make them re-download the homepage and everything again, which will include then the tag. That's how you install any kind of tracking tag on a site with the 7 theme. Hopefully that helps.